Alright guys, it's been a while since I posted any videos. Um, last video I posted was on the Passat. It is running, but it ran into some other problems, and I just wanted to step away from that project for a bit. But either way, today I'm restoring some fenders for a 280Z. I also have the rest of the car that I'm finding, looking for rust rot and patching up little holes on the car. But it's not my 280Z, it's someone else's, and basically I just picked up this project to help them out, and just making a little bit of money on the side. I do have some projects that I need to work on, projects that I've always had, just never had time to complete them. But for now, I guess today we're going to be working on 280Z fenders. Alright guys, so that wraps up the fenders video for the 280Z. You know, it had some rust rot on the bottom and the top, and closed up some little holes where the trim used to be. Overall the fenders came out pretty good. I'm going to be moving on to the bodies, and I'll be posting some videos of me pretty much doing the same thing on the 280Z body. Aside from the rust rod and taking off some other stuff, it's going to be that'll pretty much wrap up what I'm going to be doing for this car. Maybe he'll get me to do more, maybe not. I guess it just depends on what direction he wants to go in. You know, again, it's not my 280Z. But hopefully you guys will stay tuned for the next video, and I'll be picking up pretty soon and posting videos about my other projects and getting those out of the way, because I have way too many cars sitting in front of my house, and I need to start getting rid of them soon.